What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video, and today we are going to get right into it. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. We talk about maca root. We talk about how to maintain healthy weight gain hacks, product reviews, skincare hacks, 4C hair specifically, my hair growth journey of how to grow longer 4C hair using protective styles to do so, and how to just glow the heck up in general. Alright, those of you who are tuning in, welcome. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't checked out my last video, I was talking about how maca root is indeed a superfood and has so many benefits. I learn something new about it every day, not a game. In addition to that, I've talked about vitamin C before, and people use those things in skincare products a lot because it helps your skin to glow up, just giving you an overall glow, reverses the signs of aging, powerful antioxidants, right? And so people use vitamin C serums, and I have too. I ran out of my vitamin C serum a long time ago. I still have vitamin E oil. I don't have the vitamin E tablets any longer. I need to buy some more because what I usually do is open up the tablets and just apply it topically. But Pete, maca root, the liquid maca extract that I have, has vitamin C, vitamins D, vitamins B and E in it. One of the reasons that people say it's so good for anti-aging and reversing the signs of aging, because it has all of those vitamins and nutrients in it. But in addition to that, I went ahead and started using it as a face serum. I said, no, let's take this up a notch. Let's see what else this maca extract do. So y'all, I have been putting it on my stomach, on my abs, rubbing it directly into the stomach area. And when I say that I feel like my abs are tighter, just the skin is more youthful, plump, moisturized. I've been putting it on my glutes, and the same thing I'm saying about the stomach area, the same can be said about the glutes, the booty, okay? I feel like it's just doing a ting-ting. It's taking things up a notch, which is why I included the video. Let me show y'all again with how things are looking. So I'm just going to keep you updated as I continue to use this on my face and body, as well as putting it in my smoothie, water and juice, because I truly feel that this is doing something. Okay, if you're interested in this, check out modestlylavishstore.com. The link will actually be in the description. If you're interested in the nails, that's Nail Strip Drip on eBay. Link will also be in the description. And the eye products and lip products that I'm wearing are also from Modestly Lavish. The eyeliner, the mascara, the eyelash serum, the Cherry Pop lip color, and then I just put bubble lips over it to just make it stand out more and have more of like a just pop even more. But honestly, alone the Cherry Pop is bomb, alone bubble lips is bomb, okay? But y'all, read up on it. It's actually not a game. People use this in skincare products, but they've also used it in creams and moisturizers and things to boost the booty. I'm not playing. Boost the booty with the maca. It's not a game out here. This affects hormones. So that is why women use it. Women who struggle with things such as PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, which can cause your hormones to be out of whack, cause acne, facial hair, things of that nature. Maca is known to help with that. Again, read up on it. So because it affects hormones, specifically estrogen, preparing the woman's body for childbirth, I believe that that is why it is said to curve women out and broaden the hips and plump up the booty. So I'm like, let me consume it and put it directly on my booty to see if it does anything. And I will continue to update y'all because I don't think it's a game. Like, I think this thing is truly the truth and has helped me in more ways than one. Okay, it gives me energy. I don't feel as fatigued. I'm not as forgetful. It helps with memory. This thing, again, is the truth. So check it out. I do have a sale going on. If you buy 2 larger bottles, which will literally last you a very long time, especially if you're going to be consuming it and putting it on your body, you can buy 2 and save, okay, for the bundle deal. Let's get into it. But truly, I thank y'all for tuning in, for supporting me. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I will most definitely be back with more what I eat in a day videos and just more talks about maca root, all right? So thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla.